The Parrot Vise has a unique two-part design that is a favorite of woodworkers, carvers, and luthiers. The base is mounted to any work surface with 3 screws and provides a post that the vise body is mounted to. The vise body can be mounted vertically as a traditional vise or horizontally, providing clamping solutions for vertical workpieces. The center post design allows the vise body to rotate freely a full 360 degrees, and a cam locking system locks the body in position as soon as clamping pressure is applied to the workpiece. This makes repositioning the vise and the workpiece quick and easy. The smooth cast iron jaws measure 2 inches by 3.5 inches and have a maximum clamping capacity of 4 7/8 of an inch. Here at Infinity Tools, we also include 3 pairs of magnetic jaw covers at no extra charge. All measure 4 inches long and 1 1/8 inches tall, and will stick to any cast iron or steel jaw vise. The Rubberface Jaw Covers provide a firm grip that won't mark your workpiece. The Serrated Jaw Covers have a lightly textured aluminum face, and the Prism Jaw Covers are designed to grip round workpieces like dowels and pipes, either vertically or horizontally. Head over to infinitytools.com and pick up yours today.